What do you gain by doing that, you bald get? Nobody wants my lane anyway, you crap. Right. So he didn't want to let her in, and he didn't want that lane anyway. Sorry. So have you got to the bottom of your tackle? Good girl, cross it road, look both ways. Well done. Am I supposed to? So back up. Do you know about priority?
Yeah.
I love old people. They're funny. Why on earth did he even think about going if he couldn't see?
Offer incentives to get them in, but I don't think that's right, because what they'll do is they'll do that shift and then they'll not turn up.
What the hell are you doing? Yep, I'm having it.
Yeah. And he went in front of that lorry.
I can't get beside this guy, Johnny Foreigner.
Oh look, he's got a sausage dog.
Oh, taxi's run the red light. What an idiot. Oh, it's all on the same clip. It's all on the same clip.